Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Gboard or the system keyboard settings so you can change themes directly. This is faster than hunting through apps. Once in Gboard, tap Themes to access color options. This is where appearance lives. Make sure Gboard is set as your default keyboard so changes apply immediately. Doing this first prevents wasted steps later. It also explains why some options are grayed out because a non-active keyboard won't accept the new theme. You now pick a preset or create a custom look. Tap any thumbnail to preview, or choose custom to select a photo or single color. Once done, adjust the dark mode toggle or enable key borders to improve legibility. This matters for visibility in different lighting. Make sure to preview the keys and keyboard height because contrast and spacing affect typing accuracy. If you choose an image, crop thoughtfully so keys remain visible. This is why previewing saves time. You finish by tapping Apply, then open a chat to test typing and confirm colors look right. Testing ensures contrast doesn't slow you down. If something feels off, revert to default or tweak borders and dark mode until keys read easily. If the new theme doesn't appear, clear Gboard's cache or update the app. This resolves most sync problems. Finally, make a small adjustment and reapply. One quick tweak often fixes brightness or alignment issues without.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.